What's up, everybody? This is Dope Squad Reacts.
We are back with another video.
Yes. Alright, so today we're going to react to White Noise in Japan. We're going to react. We've been seeing that in the comments for a while, so we're going to finally react to that one. So, here we go.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
You know what? Hell, that's too much right there.
Lay, get out of here.
Ooh, you better work it then.
Work it, boy. Dio, what's good? Wait a minute, is it sexy? I think it is. I like the song. I'm digging it. He's so cute. I'm starting to like him.
Lord.
Ooh.
Oh no.
It's raining.
Wait, it's over, right? Oh Lord. They dancing.
That is amazing.
Ooh. Oh my God.
Why are they always gotta be wet? That's their thing. That's cool though. Oh! They all look so good.
Especially in all that water. Ooh, Lord. Ooh.
I'm hella serious. My heart's beating so fast. This is so good. Shoot me in. Ooh.
Oh my God.
Oh. Yes.
Kai is so fucking cute. It don't make no sense, man. I swear. His smile just...
Look at the vocals. Oh my God. You hear it?
Yes.
That's great.
He cute as hell too. Man, you hear that note? Boy, you better get it.
Black is their color. Black is definitely their color.
Wait a minute, who was that with that red hair?
I wasn't paying attention.
Well, he fine. That's all I gotta say. He fine.
I'm looking at all of them.
Oh my God.
I thought you liked Lay.
I can like them all. Hey, I got a thing for Kai too. Leave me alone, alright?
Okay, so the next video we're going to do is Lose Control by Lay.
Woo! Let's get it. Let's
Alright.
get it.
Alright, let's do it. He's so smooth at dancing.
Oh, he's so fine. Oh,
I was warned this is like a little sexy, so I don't know. I like them. Compared to the other video,
Yes.
Compared to other videos, this is completely different.
Yeah, it is.
But it's cool.
There he go with that dang water. Okay.
Ooh, you saw that?
Mm-hmm.
Don't do that.
You know what?
Don't do that. Mm-mm. Don't.
Oh, please don't do that. Look. Oh my God.
Stop!
I am trying my best to just be cool. I like that little note you do.
I am not ready for this. Okay, come on.
Oh my way! You're so distracting. Sing to me, boo.
He is so gorgeous.
He fine. He really fine.
Shikwachi! Come for me! I'm kidding. Ooh.
Hey, that was clean as heck right there.
That's
that
cool.
Was dope.
Oh my gosh.
I know his shirt wasn't off. His shirt better not have been off. You better not do that again. I'm gonna die in this video right now. Oh, that vocal though. Oh. Oh, sorry.
I am not ready for this.
You'll kill me.
That's the back muscle. Oh my god.
Lay! Why you want to just slay every bit of my life like this?
You could have at least warned us.
Like, why? Why you want to do that
if you were going to do that. It's even hot how he picks up the water. It's like, ooh.
Okay. Oh,
that was intentional. He wanted to intentionally kill us.
He did.
He knows he's so attractive. He knows it, and he does not care.
He do not care at all.
If we die. Ooh.
That was beautiful, though. I love it.
See, and I almost lost control.
I think I hurt my throat. I really did.
Remember when we said that we weren't going to react to any more sexy videos? So this is a bonus. And we reached the 300 subscribers, and now we have a bonus for you guys. We have a special video. We did say there was going to be 2 videos, but we lied. I'm just kidding. We're not. It's 3 videos. So, let's react to Sweet and Spicy. And I got this video from the comments.
We be reading the comments, y'all. We got y'all.
We got you, fam.
We got you, fam.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, I think this is a fan edit, though.
Oh, is it?
Aww. He has the most beautiful smile. His smile can cure cancer.
That was deep.
I'm just saying, like every time he smiles, I'm like,
his smile is beautiful. He gets me every time.
Look at him, he's so cute. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute.
Hold on. Wait, no.
How are you gonna just save me and then steal my soul? Okay. Oh!
Oh, no! Put your tongue back in your mouth, boy. Before you give me a heart attack. Ooh, Lord have mercy.
That's Bethlehem, right?
I think so. I'm sorry, I still get confused. I still don't know.
Yeah, we're still trying to register that girl in the back. That was literally me.
God damn. Ooh, they just so fine, y'all. They just so. Look, that was me right there. If you saw that girl in the background, that was me, for real. I'm telling y'all, that was me in the back. Oh, he is adorable.
He's so cute. Oh.
Oh God, please! I already know what this is gonna do to me.
Play.
Don't do this, please. Okay, I'm okay. I'm alright. I'm okay.
Ooh.
Oh my God! You know what? Oh no, no.
The blindfold. I don't know why this is setting me off.
Oh
What?
Lord.
Go away.
Please.
Bye.
Okay, can we
Excuse me, sir.
Let's
rude,
get some cute.
Rude ass.
Whew, disrespectful ass.
Time out, Lee. Aww. But he's cute again. See, I love the cute lady.
This.
Aww. They call him the unicorn, right?
The healing unicorn.
The healing. I think he does worse than healing.
I like him too.
Ooh. Shoot.
Ooh, he beautiful too.
Lord. Isn't he the oldest but looks the youngest in the group?
Oh! Did you see that shit? I'm sorry. Did you see that?
Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. He's so cute though. Look at him. Aww.
He is cute.
I love how they transition from like sexy to this. It's like, you like.
Because we need a
break
break from this. That's why.
He's
trying to kill us. I like him too. What's his name again?
Either Doe or D.O. They put like the periods between D and O, so I'm thinking D.O. or Doe.
Okay.
He's cutie.
No, finally we see some smiles. This is a serious one, right? It always looks serious.
No.
No? I'm sorry, he's
distracting. He's cute.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Why y'all want to do me like this?
Ooh. Oh, he has the most cutest smile ever.
You know what? I just noticed the little clicks. Why I just noticed that later?
They're switching
from cute to sexy.
Sweet and spicy.
That's tight.
Oh, his arms are so gorgeous.
Oh,
this is my
one. This is the one.
This is the one that I like.
Serious face. This is
the one with the nice eyebrows. The one that looks so interesting. Oh, cute. I feel like he's like the shyest in the group, or maybe that's just me.
Oh, his smile is so cute.
Oh.
Oh, that is so cute. Hey, I see you, boo. What's up?
Okay, brace yourself.
Oh, Lord. Ooh. See, there go that serious look that be getting to me every time, yo. Ooh.
The pants are not working for me. Excuse me.
Okay. I'm alright. I'm okay.
He is so gorgeous. He's so gorgeous.
Yeah, he's fine. He's fine. Oh, he's adorable.
Oh my gosh,
he's adorable.
He is so cute.
No,
is that Suo?
Brace yourself.
I like him a lot. Excuse me.
Don't grind, okay? If you grind, you're gonna kill me. I don't want to die yet, okay? Oh, Lord Jesus. Double kill.
I'm sorry, I just could not handle that. Don't laugh at me. Oh my god, okay, I was not ready. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go. The song though.
Ooh, you see that? Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, okay. You know what? The canes.
There goes the cane.
They should be banned from using canes now. Is this legal? Is this legal?
Because I really thought it was.
All this is doing legal because it's not legal for me.
Okay, we get a break now. That's not a break though. It's kind of still not like a break. Oh. What the hell was that? You trying to take my heart? That's
He's coming for us.
He's trying to take my heart, huh?
Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you know what?
So nice.
I really like this video. It's almost died. Because he's just so fine.
Suo, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And
don't forget to like and subscribe. Spam that like button.
And if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe if you want to.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you for watching. Really, really appreciate it. We will see you next time. Bye.